These parcels arrived today, so let's do a little unboxing together. First up, the minimalist roll-on. I've been waiting and wanting to try this for a while, so let's see if it's worth the hype. I just love the packaging. And this is the roll-on. It's been very viral since a while, so let's try this. It's fragrance-free and very smooth on the skin. Next you have the socks. You can never have too many comfy socks, honestly. And it comes in 4 colors: white, grey, blue and grey and black. It is literally 5 socks for such an affordable price. And finally, a gym shirt. The fabric feels really nice and I'm excited to wear this for my next workout. That's everything I got today. Okay, bye.